New game. Confirm button. Select. Accessibility setting. Gameplay. Settings. Gameplay. Confirm button. Select. Triangle button. Audio tech view controls. Access view tech audio calibration. Music volume. Sound effect music 7. Adjust the volume. Dialogue volume. Music sound effect 9. 8. Adjust audio and sub settings. New game. God of War recap. Confirm button. Select. New game. Motor accessibility. Accessibility. New game. Give me balance. Give me balance is for players who want an advantage. Give me no mercy. Give me balance. Give me balance is for players. Give me no mercy.
Hungry? What's next?
Home. Storm is getting worse.
I'll get them ready. Need help?
Ready.
Use camera stick to look around. Press Options button to access camera settings.
I hope Fenrir got some sleep. Maybe he'll be ready to eat when we get home.
He is. Quite sick, Atreus.
I know, but he was a little better yesterday. Until he wasn't. If he keeps eating, I'm not giving up on him. Hear that?
Yes.
Is it her?
It is her. The stave is not far.
Not again.
Get ready!
Falcon!
Use your stick to steer around objects.
She wouldn't give up that easy, would she?
She never does. Stay alert.
There she is! Father! Let go of her! Got you! We've got to get away from her!
I'm trying!
Up there! What's she? Look out! The trees! They're coming down! That was too close. She's coming around again!
Try I do not wish to fight you!
I'm losing my grip here! Father! She's coming around again!
Try I do not wish to fight you!
I'm losing my grip here! Father!
I have you! Hold tight! The protection stave is near!
Oh no! Freya, we're not your enemy!
Try away!
Please don't make me do this! We're through the stave. We made it.
Let us go home.
It's Becky. Fauna. Up. I'm sorry I couldn't take the shot.
I did not wish you to.
I keep hoping she'll let it go. You saved her life.
I killed her son. There is no letting that go.
Yeah. I guess killing Baldur really did bring on Fimbulwinter. It never stopped snowing after that day. Think it's ever gonna get better?
Someday. But the worst is still ahead of us. We must be strong.
I got it.
I will get the deal.
Go on, girls. I don't hear him. He always says hello.
Restart checkpoint. Quick settings. Save.
Atreus.
Fenrir! You okay, boy?
Restart save. Settings. Confirm button. Select. Back button. New game data. Confirm. Pop-up open. Saving game. New game data. Save.
It's okay, boy. You're okay. I know. I missed you too. Where's your food? Still hungry? Come on, boy. You need to eat. Eat. What? Too big? There you go. Good boy.
Atreus, the time draws near. You must prepare yourself.
For what? He's still eating. He wants to live.
He is dying.
You're a good boy. A brave boy. Fast and strong. But you can rest now. Okay? I'll be okay. You can let go now. You have to let go. Sofna. Apfra. Tesu. Sofna. 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 Sofna.
Come. We train.
What? No. It's the middle of the night.
Night does not stop our enemies.
Why? What for? Training is all we ever do, ever. It's not enough. We can't hide forever.
We do not hide. We prepare for a fight for which we are not ready. We'll go.
Time is running out. The prophecies say Fimbulwinter leads to Ragnarök. War is coming. Whatever Loki's supposed to be doing, he's supposed to be doing it now. My story doesn't end hiding in these woods. I should be out there, finding out who I am, who Loki is.
I will not allow you to pick a fight with gods.
I don't want to fight anyone. I just want answers.
And if those answers lead to war with Asgard,
Maybe that's what Mother wanted.
we do not know what Mother wanted.
Looks like we never will. Look. Can I have a moment alone with Fenrir before I bury him?
Well, I recognize that dour expression anywhere. Care to tell me what went wrong?
The wolf is gone.
Oh, no. Not Fenrir. How's the lad taking it?
Not well. He goes to bury him.
Oh, damn it. All right, brother. Good night, then.
Kratos? Are you joining me?
Faye,
Are you ready?
I will follow.
Very well, Grumbles. Fresh kill. At least it didn't suffer. Am I to decipher your grunting? Tell me your thoughts.
We hunt a predator.
A wolf. Yes.
Predators kill. It is the natural order of things.
Your words are misguided. Shh. Approach slowly. It's okay, little one. We want to help. Don't we? No, don't! Come on. The sick wolf we found beyond our stave. He found his way inside. As I said he would. We should have acted.
It was not our concern. Now it is.
The problem doesn't have to reach our doorstep for it to be our responsibility. If we have the power to limit the harm it could cause, we should act. Who are we to hide and do nothing?
We are not hiding.
Gonna make me pick that one up? Good boy.
Press interact button to climb ledges.
This way.
Faye. 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 Faye!
Time is running out, my love. And there is much to do.
Brother! Brother!
Brother?
Where's Atreus?
Hence my bellowing. He never came back from burying the wolf. It's been some time.
He cannot be far.
Weapons. Screen reader is unavailable in this menu. Armor. Screen reader is unavailable in this menu. Map. Screen reader is unavailable. Goals. Codec. Weapons. Screen reader is unavailable in this menu. Weapons. Screen reader is unavailable in this menu. Armor. Screen reader is unavailable in this menu. Journal unlocked. Press touchpad button anytime to review objectives and resources.
Boulder's chasm is too unstable, brother. The lad wouldn't try it. You don't suppose he was training in the middle of the night?
I suggested as much.
Did you? What on earth for?
He was grieving.
Oh, Kratos. I know you're trying. You suppose he took a shortcut through the realm between realms?
No, the stones have not moved.
Goals. Screen reader is unavailable in this menu.
Let's see. Tracks heading down to the frozen river. That's most likely where he did the burying. Fire's dwindling now. Where else could he have gone from here?
He crawled through here.
Press heavy attack button for a heavy attack.
You seem troubled in your sleep, even for you. Nightmares?
Stick up.
I dream of the past. Almost every night.
Ah, the bad old days in Greece?
No. It feels like Faye is trying to tell me something.
You don't mean to say you're talking to ghosts again, brother?
No. But it is something more than memory.
Hold move stick plus press sprint button to sprint. Left directional button to view options. Gameplay. Confirm button. Audio calibration. Enter this menu to access volume balance. Mute speaker name. On. Display the subtitle speaker's name when subtitles are turned on. Default setting. Speaker caption. Direction indicators. Subtitle audio. Screen audio on. Plays audio cue audio off. Plays additional sounds that correspond to various combat and traversal actions. Audio set. Voice boost. Off. Adjust the audio on. Adjust the audio mix off. Mono centered audio panning. Screen reader. Screen audio subtitle direct caption. Speak subtitle sound effects volume audio and setting. Hold moves.
Use your words, brother.
The tracks stop here.
And we're not alone.
Press light attack button for light attack. Press heavy attack button for heavy attack. Hold block button to block, or press evade button while moving to evade. Double tap evade button while moving to roll. Double tap evade button while moving to roll.
One left. Blasted raiders.
They should not be this close.
We should check on the protection stave. There's a tree up ahead, yeah?
Find health stones to restore Kratos' health.
Well,
You were right. The stave is broken.
explains our trespassers. What happened here?
A bear. Mauled.
By what?
A larger bear. Wounded. The fight destroyed the tree. We must find Atreus.
Aye. Between the savage beasts and marauding raiders, he may have sought shelter. Follow the trail. We'll find him. Ah, we need a way around. We won't find him this way. Let's find that trail of blood.
Holding button plus light attack
Trail's on
button
the
to
other
throw
side
the
of that
Leviathan
gap.
axe. Press signature weapon. Press interact button to
Any
jump
idea
gas.
what could have made the lad wander off?
We argued. He accuses me of hiding from Odin.
Only sensible to keep a low profile after killing 3 of his kin.
A reckoning will come. That is why Atreus must learn to survive on his own.
Oh, this is about that prophecy. Just because the giants had you dead on some wall full of otherwise accurate predictions.
I do not believe in prophecies.
Well, good. That's a lot of blood, brother.
We must find him.